Yeah, hi, my name is Hrithik. I'm one of the directors in Daffy Group. We do contract manufacturing of cosmetics for the last 26 years, and we have units around India. We manufacture for multiple brands. Right, so we make all kind of skincare, hair care, personal care products. We are also specialists in baby care manufacturing. We do a lot of talcum powder, baby powders, and talc-free powder as well. Yes, I think CAPL is a great forum to meet multiple people, multiple brands that come in, and staying in touch, bouncing off new ideas, and eventual collaborative efforts to make it a win-win situation for everyone. I think 2 days was a better format, to be honest, but 3 days is also good. I think a great point to meet a lot of people. I think it's a great initiative by Vicky and the team. Good forum for everyone.